Hi guys, welcome back. So I just had my vaccine booster. I ended up getting the Pfizer. Oh God, it's so great to be back in the USA when it comes to these kinds of things. So easy. I went to Cambridge Health Alliance. You walk right in the door. There's a couple of people there at a desk. They say, do you have an appointment? I say, yes. They ask you what website you signed up on. They say, what vaccine do you want? Pfizer. They say, follow that line for Pfizer. Nobody in the line. I walked right up to the nurse. The nurse looked at my Philippine health card. She's like, where'd you get this thing? Oh, it's so funny. I said, Philippines. She said, I've never seen one of those before. And so she wrote me out a new card for the booster. She looked me up online, gave me the shot. Said go wait in the chairs over there by the TV for 15 minutes, and then you can go. I mean, literally from start to finish is about, I guess, 15 plus 5 minutes, so like 20 minutes. It's unbelievable, so quick. I feel a little dizzy, but I don't have any side effects yet. I didn't even feel it put the needle in my arm. Usually it hurts. I don't know what that was all about. Hopefully I got the shot. So I got my booster. I don't know if it's gonna help, hopefully. I don't think it can do any worse. So yeah, that's it. I don't have the kid with me. It's like I got about 5-10 minutes of rest. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work taking care of that kid. She's got a lot of energy. But I think I'm gonna sign her up for gymnastics. It's like a 9-week session. It's not that much. It's like a couple $100 because she loves to do splits and run and jump. I'm gonna sign her up for that. I'm holding off just right now on the preschool because there's a lot of COVID right now, and I don't want my parents to get sick. So I have to think of not just me and Thea, but I have to think of my parents too. So that's where we're at. I'm gonna head out, do some shopping, and thanks for watching.
Fake right here.
This is fake.
Huh? Are they fake?
Yeah, that's just fake.
You are absolutely 100% correct. And actually, 6 states out there ought to be sorting it if you're to believe what truly votes.
Okay, here, hold it. Let me see you play in the snow. Wow! Oh my God! This is your first time in the snow? What happened? You make an angel? How do you make an angel? You lie on your back?
Yeah, I
Can't get up? Look at the snow! Oh my God! I don't even. Oh, watch out! Don't go in the street. Watch out! Here comes a car. Go over here. Okay. Oh my God! You're getting snow down your shirt. Here, come here. Let me come pick up some more. Okay. It's cold. The snow is cold. Stay here. Don't go on the street. Wow! It's cold? Is it cold?
Yeah, my hand hurts.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Daddy, no.
You're having fun?
Yeah. Hi. Go at it, Daddy.
Don't throw it at me.
Yeah.
You gonna throw a snowball at me?
Yeah, here's a snowball. Hi, throw it at Daddy. Hurry up.
Oh!
Snow's light, though, huh?
He has his headphones on.
Oh.
He can't hear you. He has his headphones on.
Yeah, oh, okay. No, look, I'm glad I come out twice and do what I did. Look at it all.
I don't even know where to put the snow. Otherwise, I would do the snowblower myself.
No.
I don't know where you even put it. I don't go in the street.
Yes,
Stay here.
Dad, make it snowball.
Ouch!
I didn't get you.
Oh, it's my. Oh.
I threw a big one.
Oh my God. No, don't go out on the street. You stay here. Come on, go on the sidewalk. Ouch. Oh, you gave me all cold. You gonna come in or are you gonna stay out here?
I'm not for too much longer. She won't stay out.
Yes,
Can you watch her or no?
Watch her for 2 more minutes. It's freezing.
I know. Daddy's going in the house now because it's cold, okay? You wanna come in the house, Daddy?
wait a minute.
I'm going in.
No. Yeah,
Look at your face. Yeah.
She's cold. She's cold.
Yeah. I'm sure her feet are. Her feet are probably cold.